Why size of shared pointer is bigger than the row pointer? Row pointer size is like 8 byte in machines and shared pointer is often 16 bytes. So let's see what's going on behind this. So when you print raw pointer, it's just the pointer. There is nothing fancy in that. It will always give 8 byte, doesn't matter what pointer it is. Now, shared pointer is also, it's not a pointer, it's an object, but it has many things to do. One thing is it owns the object. You always tie one object with this, right? And then you keep on using or referring this at different places. Then it is managing that resource what you have assigned as a pointer. So that resource management also takes some space. And here it is. It actually contains almost two things. One is your object pointer, obviously what you are going to share between multiple things, and a control block. This control block will tell who is also referring, like what is the reference count and all that. And the control block, what I said, the reference count manager and all that, will do many things like strong reference count or weak reference count or deleter, meaning when the reference count will go to 0, then only the deleter will actually delete the object, right? So yeah, all those things actually require space. So conceptually, shared pointer have two things, object pointer and control block pointer, okay? And that pointer will hold counts, deleter and everything, okay? So two pointers, that's why 8 plus 8, 16, okay? So if this is your function, this is your class, then integer pointer will give 8 byte and shared pointer integer type will give 16 byte. Okay, so the takeaway is, if you will generally ask to the people, okay, why it is more than the actual pointer size, then they will say, because it has to do the resource management, that count variable is taking the space. But no, actually it's a control block and it is control block's pointer, okay? And that control block is kind of hidden for people, and that contains deleter and reference count variable and allocator and all that stuff. So yeah, interesting, right? Thanks for watching.